Well, my dumb self didn't record an intro to my YouTube video, so we're kind of in the future, and I've already shot the video and made it back home. But let's go back in the past, and we're going to show you a little funny bit of stupidity. A little short video, kind of something to watch, I guess. All right, let's go. Either I'm really brave or really stupid, but we're going to find out which one that is today. Oh, man, she's running so good. Let me flip it. I mean, look at that. Everything looking great. I don't get, we got some lights on. Holes in the dash. Oh, zoom out. First trip off-road. Oh, big stick. Avoid that. Swing her wide. Man, I hope this thing makes it to the house. Oh, let me set you down. All right. Man, there's a lot of noise out of that front end. I hope he bolted these tires up good. First trip down the road. Oh no. Oh no, something's about to fall off. Oh, we gotta go back. Oh. Something is shaking and wobbling and oh my God. I think one of the wheels are loose. Back it up. We'll have to take a look, find out. Alright. That was short-lived. Be right back. I don't know if anybody can tell this, but it is shaking like crazy, like a scared animal or something. And the reason being, I thought there was a tire loose. No, it's not a tire loose. We got like 3 of these with beads separated. Or not beads, belts separated. But I'm doing 25 and it's cruising along just fine. So we're just gonna keep driving. I mean, my house ain't but 10 minutes from here, so I figure it can make it the 10-minute drive home. If not, we'll park it in the high school parking lot, leave it there, and we'll just grab a trailer. Man, dude, if you could feel how violent this is. It does have whoa. Okay, it's got whoa. Man, dude, it's jiggling me up. I feel like Jello in here. But it's running really good. It's not getting hot. So, I mean, all in all, there's still potential. Still a lot of potential here. I've got, I actually got a couple of spare tires and wheels at home. They're the exact same as what's on this truck right now. Oh, wow, we're doing 40. Jesus, this is scary. Oh my God, it's so violent. Steering wheel is sloppy. Here, look, we just, so, I don't know if you can see that, but man, dude, this thing is all over the place. Look at that. Oh my God. Like, I'm shaking violently. I wonder if that tire is just, it's done now. Oh my God. I've got to damn near turn the whole wheel. Oh man, yeah, something's coming apart. Oh yeah, something's done. Most definitely done. Well, I gotta drop this camera. Let's see what's going on. Y'all busy holding together. We're just gonna push. We're just gonna keep pushing. I'm not giving up just yet. Oh my God, dude, there's like a lot of noises happening and things are happening. I'm pretty sure people can see how violent this is. I can look out the window and see the wheel wobble. And that is not ideal. Definitely not ideal. Typically, you want your tires to be round, with no flat spots in them, or highs, or lows, or, you know, stuff like that. We got the special edition here that has like multiple wobble tires on it. And, you know, it's like riding in a wagon. Oh my God. Oh, shit, the whole seat's moving. Oh my God. Oh, this is dangerous. Wow. But we're right here. I mean, literally, we're at the intersection. So all we gotta do is make it through this intersection, another half mile, and we'll be home. Pull it in the yard and leave it there for a minute. Because, man, dude, this is wild. My God. Nostalgic, though. Man, that windshield's rough. Wow, what the hell is that? Oh, it caught fire. How the hell did it get? Oh, my. We'll just act like we didn't see that. There's a whole lot going on in here. A little bit of black mold, a little bit of regular mold, you know, because the door's been open since the tornado blew through here. So, you know, no water sealing of any kind. We're still not overheating. That's awesome. This light takes 15 years to change, so it'll change one of these days. Oh, there we go. Turn signal went. Here we go. Let's see. They get to go. Man, I feel bad for anybody that gets behind this shaking thing. Just hold on. We're going to make it. Maybe. Oh, shit. Oh, tip the county. Oh, we got to act like we didn't see that. Tip them, Sheriff. And roll on. Oh, God. The whole seat moved. Oh, my God. The whole sheet just shifted back on me. Oh, man. Yeah, this is not good. My, oh, my. We didn't see him. He didn't see us. He doesn't know I'm not wearing a seatbelt, and it's very iffy. Definitely shouldn't be on the road truck. But I'll pick y'all back up when we get back to the house. We're right here. All right, we're back at the house, finally. After the very crazy ride. Just squint really hard. You can see the vision there, what's going to happen with this thing and where it's going to go. But we got some serious plans for this. Me and my buddy Dustin, who used to own the truck, we're talking full pre-runner suspension, gonna widen it up, make it look real good. Of course, obviously, none of that's cheap, and it isn't free, so we're gonna have to save for a little while. We might work on things here and there. I'm thinking about getting the frame pulled out from underneath it, powder coated. We're gonna either pull the 4.8 that's in it and build it, or we're gonna get a 5.3 or 6.2. Not really sure which way I want to go. That we know the transmission's good. It was rebuilt within the past 3 years of ownership of the truck, and then the rear end's been gone through, so a little 10 bolt will hold together, or whatever's in it. I don't even know anymore. It's been so long since I've been in it. Cut the interior, get rid of all whatever's going on in that thing, and just give her a good old spit shine, you know what I mean? Clean her up. But that's it for today's video. We'll jump back into it again and update you on the truck when we can. All right, Tiki Talk, we're back with the Silverado today. We're getting the tires aired up, and I'm gonna brave driving it home. I don't live far from here, and it's just a lot easier than biting this thing onto a trailer or getting a trailer with a truss carrying it. Plus, it's got stuff in the bed and all that stuff. I don't want it bouncing around on a trailer. It's easier to just drive it. So I'm gonna turn you around, let you take a peek at her, and actually get a good view of this thing. So here it is. I don't even remember the year of this truck. 99, 2001, something like that. 2000. But it's got the 4.8 in it. Got 300 and I think it was 48 or 84. I can't remember. Had that slick custom paint job on it back when my buddy Dustin. Oh, it's 344. Dustin built it. Got it all together. But man, he took care of this truck. I mean, he washed it so much, waxed it so much, that I thought the brand new paint and clear coat was going to come off of it. And then, of course, you know, he wanted something newer, something more reliable. Got rid of this, picked up a newer truck that he wanted, and sold it to a family member. Well, you see what happened to it in his ownership. Not saying anything bad about the guy, but I mean, she's rough. The headlights are in the truck. Somebody tried to take them for something else and just didn't put them back in, but they're in there. Clear's obviously peeling off of it. Got scratches, dents, but it's still savable. The drivetrain's good in it, runs good. We'll probably yank that 4.8 out and update it. Go ahead and put a cam in it, put some new bearings through it. All right, we may just stuff a 5.3 or 6.2 off in it. Don't know yet. And then we got to fix this so at least the fucking door will shut. And you know, if I want to drive it or something, use it for a trash truck for a little while till we get the building on it, I can.